Everybody, this is Jay here with Rogers Motor Cars, and we've got a nice Range Rover here today. It's a 2025 Range Rover Sport Dynamic P460e SE. That is a mouthful. It's the top of the line Range Rover Sport with the dynamic trim. This does have it's a hybrid, so it is a plug-in hybrid. If you want to drive on EV by itself, you can do over 50 miles just on EV power. Otherwise, it's under the engine with a combination of battery power, or you can drive with just the motor. So different options there. You don't have to plug it in and charge it up. Very nice. Just on the engine, you've got 454 horsepower. So this is a rocket ship without the EV help. Very nice and clean. It's a one owner, clean Carfax. It's got the black roof, tuxedo. This does have the upgraded 23-inch wheels. It's got the black exterior package, which gives you all of the black contrast trim, all that gloss trim. Inside is garnet. It's a kind of a deep red color. Take a quick look here. Looks really nice on this. Like a Bordeaux red, very nice dark red. It's got heads-up display, heated seats, heated steering wheel, navigation. It's got the 3D camera. It's got the 360 surround view cameras. You can see all the way around you, top view, all the driver's assistance stuff. Here is the charger to plug in, front license plate bracket, some carpet mats. That is your first aid kit. You can power fold the seats. Of course, it's got the cover here. It's usually missing in a lot of vehicles. Got this locally from a client. I say this a lot, but we don't buy cars at auctions and flip them. Typically, my inventory comes from people that I do business with, repeat customers. We've got adjustable rear seats back there. It does have the panoramic roof, 4-zone climate control. It's like a brand new vehicle. The tires are like new. Love the screens on these, and the usability is really nice as well. Everything's touchscreen. Does have the cooler inside the console. And we do have 2 keys, so no wheel scuffs anywhere. This is mint condition. Give us a call. We can ship this to you anywhere in the country. We can do it enclosed if you like as well. Range Rover's timeless design. If you need financing, we do have options. If you want to use your own financing, that's great. Not a problem with us. Cash deals are easy. We can do everything long distance. You don't need to be here. I'm easy to reach. Call, text, email. I'm very quick with my responses. I get a ton of leads, so I like to knock them out as they come in. So I hope to hear from you soon on this one. I appreciate it. Go ahead and like the videos, subscribe to the channel. I post a lot of shorts as well, some fun reels that we do with my videography team, and a lot of walk around videos. Everything I'm selling gets a walk around video. All right, that'll be it for this one. Thanks for watching. If you need anything else, just reach out to me.